Hello everyone, it's a nice mid-October day. We're walking with you at St. Pete Beach. We have some little town walk, but we're going to go on the beach. I just wanted to show you how stunning and cozy and beautiful is here, and why do I like to walk here. We just passed a little store, but you did not see it. And it's pretty much mostly private residences in here. Most of them on the left have their own little piers and docks. And on the right, it's just closer to the beach. It's not too much of walk to the beach. It takes you 5 minutes to get there from here. And you'll see it right now. It says no outlet. But it's just for the motorized traffic, no outlet. For people who are walking on the beach, there is an outlet. Hopefully. Maybe I'm wrong. You can see all kinds of houses. There are houses that were built like just recently, few years ago. There are little tiny houses, like bungalow style houses, and they're like big houses, all kinds of style of architecture. A lot of these houses surely are like Airbnb houses, beach rental properties, vacation rental properties. And a lot of houses are occupied by people who live there like all year round. And I'm jealous because this is the place where I would love to live, honestly. That's how I feel. Living over here is not cheap, I'm not gonna lie. Even tiny little bungalow that is almost falling apart is a very expensive thing because of the land that it has under the house. As you know, I told you a few times already, I'm not a big fan of big houses. Huge houses are not for me. I feel lost and unsafe in there. I like tiny houses, but not too tiny. Like up to 1,500 square feet is the best. That's a smart idea to buy a little cloth to cover your car in Florida, because cars are getting broken by sun a lot. And it's also like dusty. If you like your car to be beautiful, you better cover it, especially on a windy day. Oh, it's a beautiful house with multiple condos in there. Isn't that so nice? I like it. I'm pretty sure like a condo in there is like over $1 million. Expensive. But I didn't check, I could lie. I know Clearwater Beach, all the condos are around, like the tiny ones are around 700Ks. All right, we're going to the beach. The pass is a little wild, but I love it. That's how Sanibel Island used to look like before Hurricane Ian destroyed it. All the green stuff. Oopsies, some fence fell apart. Hopefully they have enough money to fix it. And I really hope no one got hurt by this fence falling. Yeah, that's the beach. And you can see the pink historic hotel. I just looked up the name of it, but I surely forgot the name of it. But it's very popular. And if you Google it, you say Historic Hotel St. Pete Beach, you'll see it right away. I was looking for the prices for 2 people overnight. And the middle of the week I chose in October. They told me it's gonna be around $360 a night. But they promise they have the most wonderful service in there. This hotel was built like almost 100 years ago in 1928, and was very popular retreat area for rich people in 1930s. And I believe this building is just wonderful and stunning. Look at the buildings next to them that were built in 1970s. They look ugly and they look like they're about to fall apart. But this place looks very, very, very good. I would trust myself to be in there. Beautiful architecture. I'm not really smart about all the architectural styles. I know just 2. And none of them are applied to this building. It's very beautiful. It's like Hotel Don CeSar, I think, but I'm not sure. They're on their website, they promise we're going to get the most amazing service. They have spa, restaurant, bar, in-room service. It's beautiful. Very windy this week. The water is about 78 degrees. The waves are huge, and that's why the beach does not look too clean. It's usually way more clean. Because there are special people who clean it almost every morning. Today we cannot fly the drone, but I'm pretty sure we have some aerial views of this hotel. And if we do, you will see them on the screen right now, because this building is stunning. It's like the business card. for the St. Pete Beach. If you look up St. Pete Beach images, this building will be very popular. You'll see it a lot. They're beach rentals. I don't know why they're not pink. I believe they should be pink. Actually, where we're walking right now, there's no water most of the days, but because of the storm, we have water far inland. Yeah, it says Don CeSar. I would read it as Don CeSar because I believe it should be something Italian, but it could be Spanish too. They have a clock on the turtle. So cute, so beautiful. Alright guys, that's all of the video for today. Thank you for being with me. Remember to like the video, to leave a comment, and please subscribe yourself. I will be very happy. See you next time. Bye-bye.